Let's see what happens. He's kind of headed in towards some breaking waves.
I'd love to see a fucking outer cap and just grab that guy. Ocean Beach, after all, is self-regulated.
Here he goes. He's going to hit some waves for sure, huh? Whoa. Got one more set. Oh shit, he's going right up this one. I got that.
Dude with the 2 broken legs right there. Oh my god. Seriously, what does that feel like on your leg?
You get one more wave here. Hey, he's still in the boat.
That dude got air.